Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Facebook account on PC. So if you're new to Facebook or want to create an account using your PC or laptop, no stress, this is the For Dummies guide to help you set up a Facebook account in minutes. So step 1, you can just open your browser and go to the facebook.com. This one. And once the page is open, you can just tap on this create new account right below the login boxes. And now you can just enter your details, so fill out the forms, enter your full name, your first name, surname, date of birth, gender, and also the mobile or email address, and also the password. And after that, you can just click on sign up. And Facebook will now send a confirmation code to your email or phone. So after that, you can just check your inbox or messages, copy the code and enter it on Facebook to confirm your account. And after that, your account is active. And that's how you can create a Facebook account on PC the easy way. Tap like if this helped, hit subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye!